Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be working on the S2K again, and we're going to be fixing up all the scratches, the cracks, and the missing clear coat on the hardtop and the body before we actually wrap the car. Since it doesn't have a smooth surface, we're going to fill it up all with Bondo. If you look here, this is all the clear coat coming off the car. Front bumper we Bondoed up a little already with some 3M Bondo. We're gonna fill this one up too. There's a little hole in the fender. I'll move the car into the middle of the garage so we can get everything set up and ready. And then after that, we'll start working on it. So this is the Bondo that we're going to be using today. It's a little dinged up right now. You can get these at any local hardware store or automotive store. Walmart definitely has this. And these are fairly affordable. So you can get a bunch of them. They come in bigger cans. This should be all we need right now. We don't need too much. We're just filling up a few holes and a few scratches and dings. I need to grab a cardboard box and a spatula. Is it called spatula? I'm not sure if it's called spatula or what. Something to mix the Bondo with. Oh, here we go. You can also get these at Walmart too. They come in a set, so it's easier to mix your Bondo and everything. Mason and Jamari may or may not be coming later, so in this video it might just be me, but I think Jamari will be coming later. Mason, if you guys haven't heard, he got into a car crash last week where he wrecked the front half of his car. Hopefully he gets his car fixed soon. It's not too bad, no one got hurt in the accident, but Mason will probably explain what happened later, so I'll probably just record him talking about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started working on it. Alright guys, so I cut up a few pieces of cardboard. This is all you really need. Wear gloves because this stuff smells and it's pretty nasty, dude. Basically how I usually mix the ratios of Bondo to hardener is I get about like a coin size. I mean, this is a pretty big coin actually, but basically just make a circle out of it, and then I just draw a line from the left to the right, just across, just one line like this, and then I just mix it up. Grab a little bit of it and just slap it on there. That should be about alright. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna do the other side. So I just did the first pass on the top. It's not the best, but you just skim it through. You should fill in all the micro cracks and stuff. I'm gonna do this to the entire top of the car. The less you put on, the less you have to sand. The more you put on, the more you have to sand. So it just kind of depends on you. And basically you just want to fill in the cracks. It's kind of like Play-Doh, so that's how it works. So we sanded the entire car down now, and basically it's about done. We took like, I don't even know how long we've been sanding it. We've probably been sanding it for like 4 or 5 hours now. Sun's down if you look outside. It's pretty dark. Well, thank you guys for watching. We make videos every single week, and we upload it on Saturdays at 9 a.m. in the morning. So if you guys are watching, that's when it's gonna be posted. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we outie. No way, bro. You should get our